In this video, I'll be showing you how to check your NECO GCE 2025 result. I mean the NECO GCE you wrote around November-December period 2025. So the result is out, and this is how you're going to check it using your own personal mobile phone. So kindly follow this procedure to the end. So the first thing to do is to go to your search engine. I mean your Opera Mini, Safari, Chrome, Google, anyone. So like this particular one is Chrome. So you're going to search results.neco.gov.ng. So that's results. Ensure that the result is in plural form. So therefore there should be S. So look at this. Look at this. This is the link. Results.neco.gov.ng portal. So when you click on this, now look at what is displayed for you. The first thing is going to appear for you. That is what https results.neco.gov.ng. This is NECO results. So click on this. Click on this. So once you click on this, then you're going to see this. So let me try to make it smaller. So this page is going to appear on your phone. Immediately this page appears on your phone, then you're in the right place. In case if you click on result without putting S in that result, it's going to take you to another website whereby you're going to be seeing something like 404 server doesn't exist or so. That result, result, the one that doesn't have S, was previously NECO portal for checking results, but now they have changed their portal to results, so it now have S. Now what are you going to feel on this now? And let me show you one after the other. Ensure you share this video to other NECO GCE students so that they can also watch and learn how to print their NECO GCE November-December 2025 results. So now after that, you're going to go to this examination year. So let me click on this. You can see so many years. This is 2026, 2025, 2024, 2023, 2022, and so on. If you check down, then you can see it up to year 2000. So from year 2000 to year 2026. But you are checking for 2025. Although the results of this NECO GCE is out in the year 2026. But when you want to select, you must select 2025. Don't make that mistake. So select 2025. So I've selected the exam year. Then the second thing is the examination type. Examination type, let me select it. Now you can see this is SSC internal. This SSC internal it simply means SSC exam written by student usually wear school uniform to write the exam. So you must not click on that. Now look at SSC external. That simply means GCE. So the one you wrote that you want to check is for SSC external. This is BC, that's BEC, that's something like Becker. This is NCED, and this is gifted. So your own concern is this SSC external. So let's click on SSC external. And the next thing to click on is token. Now look at this token. Token is 12 digits number. So token, you are not given token. Nobody has this token until you purchase this token. So send a message to this WhatsApp number for you to purchase your token. So the token is 2,500 naira. I will drop the account details you're going to send the money to under this comment section. So just go to the comment section and I will pin it as well. Send the 2,500 naira for a single token through the account number. Then come to this WhatsApp number here, displaying on your screen here. Then send the receipt of your payment to that WhatsApp number. Within few seconds, you are going to receive the token immediately. But if you are buying more than 3, 4, 5 and above, then there will be a discount for you. Now, so for your token, now token is 12 digits number. I will send you the token immediately you have made your payment of 2,500 naira. When you come to the WhatsApp number, don't bother to greet, just send your receipt immediately. A lot of people are coming to our WhatsApp, so don't bother to greet, just come, send your receipt, then you receive the token and you go ahead to check your results. Send it to this WhatsApp number, but I will pin the account details you're going to send the money to under the comment section. So now let's go to this. Now let me assume, let me just guess a token here. Let me just guess any 12 digit number, just trying to guess something. So let me assume this is the token. So the last thing is now the registration number. The registration number is also known as the examination number. It usually end with 2 alphabet. So something like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9. Let me just put GH. So something like this is also known as your registration number or examination number. So after that, then you click on check result. Once you click on check result, then your result is going to display here. Now, if your result display here, what you're going to do next is that you're going to ensure that you save the result as PDF to your phone. There will see a place whereby it's going to tell you to print the result. Once you print it, then automatically it will take you to your PDF and then you're going to save it on your PDF. So this is the easiest way and the simple way you can check your NECO GCE 2025 result. And also, after getting your token, you can use your token 5 times. So after you have used it once, ensure that you don't lose that token, because once you lost it, you can no longer use another token to check the same result again. Take note of that one, is very important. A token you have used to check your results once, you can use it 5 times. After the fifth time, then you can no longer check your result again with another token, except you go through another stressful process and very costly process of e-verification process, or probably you go and get the certificate for that particular result when it is out. So now this is how to do it. So do well to check your results, and I wish you best of luck. And for UTME students, student preparing to write UTME 2026 exam, so if you want a virtual tutorial, I mean online tutorial, we use Zoom and WhatsApp platform. Send the WhatsApp message to this same WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. Then we are going to add it to the classroom. The tuition fee is just 8,000 naira per month from Monday to Saturday. Thank you so much. Bye.